dive into the vibrant world of traditional African weddings, where love meets culture in a symphony of colors, rhythms, and rituals. These celebrations are a feast for the senses, brimming with the unique beauty and diversity that only Africa can offer. Each ceremony, an artful blend of rich customs and traditions, is a testament to the continent's cultural wealth and heritage. In these weddings, the importance of family and community takes center stage, echoing the African philosophy of Ubuntu. I am because we are. Every dance step, every shared meal, every exchanged vow is a reaffirmation of this collective identity. From the Zulu weddings of South Africa to the vibrant Yoruba weddings of Nigeria, each celebration is a vibrant tapestry of joy, unity, and tradition. Now let's explore the 10 most popular types of traditional weddings celebrated across this diverse continent. First on our list are the Grand Zulu weddings of South Africa. Steeped in history and tradition, these weddings are a vibrant spectacle of color, dance, and music. The Zulu weddings are a two-part ceremony, beginning with the umembeso, where the groom's family presents gifts to the bride's family, symbolizing their union. This is followed by the umabo, the official wedding ceremony, where the bride, adorned in a traditional isidwaba, a leather skirt, izikwaya, a skin to cover her breasts, and inkeli, a headdress, makes her grand entrance. The highlight of the ceremony is the ukwaba, a ritual where the couple shares a taste of beer from the ukamba, a traditional beer pot signifying their unity. Zulu weddings, with their rich customs and rituals, truly epitomize the spirit of Ubuntu, a Zulu philosophy meaning I am because we are. Next, we travel north to Nigeria for the color-filled Yoruba weddings. Welcome to Nigeria, home of the vibrant Yoruba weddings. A Yoruba wedding is a beautiful spectacle of color and celebration, deeply rooted in Yoruba tradition and culture. The festivities kick off with the introduction ceremony, where the two families meet, negotiate the bride price, and set a date for the wedding. This is followed by the engagement ceremony, a unique event where the groom and his friends prostrate themselves before the bride's family as a sign of respect. The main event, the Yoruba traditional wedding, is a grand celebration. The bride and groom, adorned in their stunning ASO, OKE outfits, come together amidst singing, dancing, and joyous celebration. The ceremony concludes with the couple tasting 4 elements, representing the sweet, sour, and bitter aspects of life. The Yoruba people believe that these ceremonies not only unite the couple, but also their families, creating a strong communal bond. The wedding rituals are a testament to the Yoruba's rich culture, filled with profound symbolism and deep-rooted tradition. From Nigeria, we head east to Ethiopia for the traditional Amhara weddings. Now, we find ourselves in Ethiopia, where the Amhara weddings are a sight to behold. These celebrations are deeply rooted in tradition and are a vibrant showcase of the Amhara culture. The ceremonies start with the Melsa, a feast that takes place 2 days before the wedding. It's a joyous occasion where the families of the bride and groom come together, sharing food, song, and laughter. The day before the wedding, the kelekal takes place. During this ceremony, the groom and his entourage make their way to the bride's house bearing gifts. The bride's family welcomes them with music and dance, and the festivities continue late into the night. The wedding day itself is a grand affair. The bride, adorned in a traditional white Habesha kameez dress and Shema headdress, is a vision of elegance. The groom, decked out in a gabi, a white traditional robe, is the epitome of Amhara pride. The couple exchange vows in a church ceremony, followed by a reception where traditional music and dance fill the air. The Amhara weddings are a beautiful blend of tradition and festivity, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Ethiopia. But our journey doesn't end here. Our next stop is the beautiful Berber weddings in Morocco. Welcome to Morocco, where the Berber weddings are as beautiful as the landscapes. These celebrations are a vivid manifestation of Berber culture, steeped in tradition and symbolism. The wedding ceremony is a multi-day event, often lasting up to a week. It begins with the groom's family visiting the bride's home, bearing gifts and sweets, a tradition known as the tazdate. The Berber wedding dress is a sight to behold, an intricately woven masterpiece adorned with silver jewelry and amulets believed to ward off evil spirits. The bride's hands and feet are also beautifully decorated with henna, in intricate patterns symbolizing fertility and protection. Music is the heartbeat of Berber weddings. The rhythm of the bendir, a traditional wooden frame drum, echoes through the festivities, while the guests dance in a circle to the melodious tunes of the amazi. And let's not forget the food. A feast is laid out with traditional Moroccan dishes like couscous, tagine, and pastilla, offering a gastronomic delight to the wedding guests. Berber weddings are not just an exchange of vows between two people, but rather a celebration that binds two families, and indeed, an entire community. They are a beautiful testament to the Berbers' rich cultural heritage and their unyielding spirit of unity and celebration. Next, we journey to Senegal for the vibrant Wolof weddings. Now, we are in Senegal, where the Wolof weddings are a vibrant celebration of love. This joyous occasion is steeped in rich traditions that beautifully encapsulate the Wolof culture. A Wolof wedding is not just a union between two people, but two families, signifying a strong sense of community and togetherness. The festivities often begin with the lep, a customary gift-giving ceremony where the groom's family presents gifts to the bride's family, symbolizing their acceptance and respect for the bride. This is followed by the sabah, an energetic and colorful dance party where guests and family members dance to the rhythm of the traditional sabah drums, radiating happiness and unity. Next, there's the tuki, or journey, where the bride, adorned in vibrant traditional attire, is escorted to her new home amidst singing and dancing. The ceremony concludes with lamb, a traditional wrestling match, representing strength, courage, and protection. These customs, each with its unique significance, weave together to form a Wolof wedding, a lively celebration of love, unity, and tradition. Now let's head to Ghana for the traditional Ashanti weddings. Welcome to Ghana, home of the Ashanti weddings. The Ashanti, or Asante, people celebrate matrimony with an array of vibrant and rich customs that reflect their deep-rooted cultural heritage. The journey to wedded bliss begins with a traditional rite called kuku ko, where the groom's family knocks on the door of the bride's family to ask for her hand in marriage. This simple act symbolizes respect and the intent to join the two families together. On the wedding day, the bride is adorned in kente, a hand-woven cloth filled with bright colors and intricate patterns, each symbolizing a specific meaning or message. The groom too is dressed in kente cloth, showcasing the unity and harmony between the couple. A key highlight of the ceremony is the exchange of drinks. The groom presents palm wine to the bride's family, signifying his gratitude and respect. The bride's family in return gives the groom a drink, signifying their acceptance of the union. These customs and many more make Ashanti weddings a beautiful fusion of tradition, symbolism, and love. Next, we journey to Kenya for the colorful Maasai weddings. Now, we find ourselves in Kenya, where the Maasai weddings are a colorful spectacle. Bursting with vibrant hues and energetic rhythms, Maasai weddings are a feast for the senses. The ceremony begins with a ritual called Enkipata, where the elders initiate young men into adulthood, marking the beginning of their journey towards marriage. Next comes the Unoto, a ceremony that transitions the warriors into elders, setting them ready for the responsibilities of marriage. The bride-to-be, adorned in intricate beaded jewelry and vibrant, colorful clothing, leaves her family home with her belongings, escorted by her age mates who sing traditional songs. The groom, donned in a red shuka and carrying a spear, welcomes his bride into his family's home. The ceremony is sealed with the Olngesha ritual, where the newly married couple is blessed by the elders, signifying their acceptance into the community as a married couple. Each of these rituals is deeply significant in Maasai culture, reflecting the community's respect for tradition, unity, and the sacred bond of marriage. Our final stop is the unique Tuareg weddings in Algeria. Finally, we arrive in Algeria, where the Tuareg weddings are a unique celebration of love and community. In the heart of the Sahara Desert, the Tuareg people, also known as the Blue Men of the Desert, host wedding ceremonies that are rich in tradition and cultural significance. Here, a wedding is not just a union of two people, but a grand social event that brings together entire communities. Central to the Tuareg wedding is the taku belt, a vibrant, week-long festival filled with music, dance, and poetry. The bride and groom, adorned in indigo-dyed robes and silver jewelry, are the stars of this celebratory extravaganza. The bride's beauty is enhanced by the tagelmust, a traditional veil, while the groom's prowess is displayed in a ceremonial sword dance. The wedding culminates in the ritual of taigij, where the newlyweds share a bowl of milk symbolizing unity and prosperity. This ceremony is not just a testament to their love, but also a reaffirmation of their commitment to their community. These are just a few of the many traditional African weddings that are celebrated across this diverse continent. From the Zulu weddings of South Africa to the Tuareg weddings of Algeria, each African wedding is a unique celebration of love, community, and culture. We've journeyed through diverse lands, witnessing the vibrant colors of Yoruba weddings in Nigeria, the tradition-steeped Amhara weddings of Ethiopia, and the mesmerizing Berber weddings of Morocco. We've danced to the rhythm of Wolof weddings in Senegal, felt the soul of Ashanti weddings in Ghana, and shared in the joy of Maasai weddings in Kenya. As a bonus tip, if you're intrigued by these beautiful traditions and considering experiencing them firsthand, do contact your local tourism office. They can provide invaluable information about visas and travel requirements, ensuring a seamless journey into these rich cultures. Please leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for our next video. We'd love to hear what you want to learn about next.